Today I'm going to show you how to work this airsoft gun. It's really good. This M4 has 200 FPS. Here's where the battery goes, and it's the clip. You just reel it and the bullets go up. Here's the pistol. Here's a 20 gram 5,000 bullets, biodegradable. They're all white. And now here's my battery for the M4. And the pistol's got 180 FPS, so I'm going to show you how the M4 shoots first. Here's the rate of fire. You can see that's the rate of fire on that. Now let me pack my pistol. Now as you can see, it's like that. I'm going to shoot it. That's what the pistol looks like. Pistol spring got 180, and the M4's got 200, I mean. And there's that. Good. This is a really good airsoft to get, but you just gotta get high quality bullets.